Welcome to Mr. Origami, where we turn paper into art. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for your dose of creative folds. Hello, I'm Mr. Origami, and today we're going to be making an elephant. This elephant is a medium difficulty, and I recommend this to origamists who have been with origami for a little while. I'm going to start with a 6x6 inch, fold it in half. Now you're going to fold this folded edge to the middle crease. Flip it over, do the same thing. Now open the big pocket and flatten it. And now you have a square base. We're going to turn that square base into a bird base. I'm going to fold it like a kite. Then you can fold it down. Fold it up. Now you have part of the bird base. You're going to do that same thing with those same exact steps on this side. Make sure you got them nice and creased. Now you're gonna fold one down and one up, and leave one up. Flip it over. You're gonna have two flaps. Fold one flap up and squash it. Line it. Now you're gonna fold this down there. Now you're going to fold this to the center, both of them. Do the same on the other side. Now you're going to fold both of these down. Now, and flip it over. Now you're going to have this green triangle. Not green triangle. You're going to have this you're going to have this tab, and you're going to fold the point to the middle. Now, fold it in half. And we're going to make the behind legs. So fold it down at least that much. Fold it down and inside reverse fold it. Now you're going to align it with the other legs. So if I put a line here, it'll align with it. Inside reverse fold it. Now fold in the back a little bit. all we have to do is the trunk. Gonna fold this about this much and inside reverse fold it. Open that. You're gonna fold both to the center. So it's like it's starting to look like an elephant. Now you're gonna fold the trunk up. Inside reverse fold it. And fold it down. And open it. Then put it down. Then inside reverse that little point, and you finish your elephant. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you in my next video.